Hello viewers, welcome again to Black Box Trading Channel. Friends, making video is not my profession, it's my hobby. Share market is money making machine but also for losing. Remembering my past, I want to do something for general investors. If you see my previous videos of this channel, you may realize that I sincerely try to give you a potential script from where you can earn money, and besides this, you may learn also. In fact, all of the scripts of this channel are super duper hit within a short time. That means our selection and process are effective. For getting this type of service, you have to pay, but I am giving you free. Just one request, subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Today I show you one script from where you may get 15% or more profit within short time. At first I show you weekly chart. Please look, a nice triangle here and price already goes up of this triangle. Besides this, here is also a nice pattern, no matter how you call it, but usually in this pattern, price target will be the previous top of this pattern. Now here we see the daily chart. At first, we analyze simply the volume. Though there is no significant volume, but when volume appears, price increase. Volume increase, price increase. But when volume is low, there is no change of the price. Then look MACD. Nicely it comes over the zero line. Now it is positive. So this script may ready for uptrend. Come to the price level now. Price has just broken a strong resistance, but it seems fake because of volume. As a result, price comes down, and this is the opportunity for us. Like this script, you do not need a stop loss, but if necessary, just below the previous resistance level or present support level. Remember, one thing is very important. Never hurry up to buy a stock. Go slowly and never put your all money in a single stock. So dear traders and investors, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.